I get the hiccups and Charlie thinks it's very funny.
That's what they said. When they're going to replace it, and the third stage is very popular. I was thinking it's too bad, and God bless Regis. I stand by my love for Regis Philbin, and I think it's too bad that he had to hit replacement.